Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to be talking about blocks, and blocks are what they sound like. In Elementor, blocks are just different sections and parts of a web page that you can just import and bring them together. Now you can create your own custom blocks and then save them and use them in as many web projects as you want, or you can use pre-built one, pre-existing ones. So I'm going to show you how to do both of them. I'm going to show you how to create yours from scratch, and then I'll also show you how to use pre-built one. So I'm going to create a new page, and then I'm going to call this page blocks demo, and I'll come to the right. I'll disable primary header, disable title. I'll disable all of this because I don't need them. I want the page to be 100% blank, so I'll publish the page right now. Alright, so the next thing is to edit it with Elementor. Now because we've installed Envato element, it's going to give us some pre-built blocks that we can use. Can you see? So if you look here, initially when we installed Elementor, we only had these two icons, this and then this guy. But now we have additional two, Envato element and starter template. So you can see the starter templates that we're going to be working with later. This is how you access them, but for now our interest is on Envato element. So let's select this guy, and then once you select this, you are going to have two options. The first option is to import full websites, complete web pages and websites. Now the second option is what? Blocks. So that is what we want to use. So this makes building your web pages really easy. So you can see we have different categories: heroes of hero, call to action, about a lot of things. So let's build a very simple web page, and you can see how we're going to build it very fast. Now if you know what these categories mean, you're going to know where to look for whatever it is you're looking for. So in this case, I want to build a simple web page, like a landing page. So I want to start with a header, just like a normal traditional home page. Now the hero is where you're going to find the headers and the banners you need. As you can see, after the name of the category, you also have the number of blocks. So let's select it, and then we're going to see all the blocks that comes with it. Can you see? All pre-designed. Then as you scroll down, you're going to be looking for something that looks close to what you want, and so on and so forth. Can you see them? Amazing. Main headline. Wow. Okay. Oh, okay. I think I like well, let me import this just for the sake of demonstration. It doesn't have to be something really nice, but let's say this is the one you want to use. So come here and then click on this button, add block to page. So it's going to insert it for you with the predefined image, the design and everything. So now we've added it to the web page. So let's close this guy and then come back. Looks like something went wrong. So let's go back and see what went wrong. Blogs, of course, and then hero. Then this was the guy we wanted inserting. So let's see. Oh. So once we do that, we're going to find it under templates. Sorry, that was an oversight, please. So when you come to templates, you will see it. Can you see? Hero inline image. So this is the one that got imported. Can you see it? Imported it 3 times because I was trying to import it 3 times. I forgot. that it was not going to paste it, add it directly on the web page for me. But in previous versions, that was how it was. You can immediately when you add it, it's going to come to the web page directly. So let me delete this too because we don't need them. So delete this, and then we say delete. We will do same for this one because we don't need it either. So let's delete it. Now this is the one we need. They're all the same thing. We just deleted the two, so we don't have access. So click insert. No. Beautiful. Can you see? So now you have your own blog. Now before we begin to customize it, let's just add one more thing. So back to the blocks. Let's say now we want to add a subhero. Subhero mostly should be what follows immediately after your headline or after your main title. Okay. I think this looks perfect. No, I don't. Let's go back and check out this guy. Okay. I think this is okay, so let's add it. Alright. Next, before we exit, let's see one more thing. Call to action. Okay. Let's say we want to add a call to action. So, call to action. Can you see? Lots of it. Call to action, this and that. I think this looks really attractive for me. So, add it. Then lastly, I'd like to add something like a grid, something like, so let's find something we can use. Features, benefits, themes, not cover, no, no. About, pop-up, logo, grid. Let's check out this guys and see if we can find something we can use. Yes, beautiful. I think we can work with this. Yes, we can work with this. So let's add this. Let's add this. So let's go and find a footer. Footer. Okay. No need to waste a lot of time. So let's add this first one. Okay, unfortunately we need Elementor Pro to work with that. So let's ignore it and look for the one that is completely free without Elementor Pro. You can see all these ones with this icon of Elementor Pro logo beside them. So we can work with this. Beautiful. So let's begin to add them. So hero, let's reload it. Alright, they are now all in. So the next thing we need to add is the subhero. Look at it here. Amazing. Now let's go add this next one, which is the grid icon. Sorry, grid images, logo grid images. So can you see how easy it is to build your web pages? You know, of course you have to come and edit this once, write whatever it is you want to write. You can see I'm just doing it randomly. When you're building a real website, you have to of course come here and then edit the typography so that they will match, you know, the font size, all those things. And then let me go and add the call to action. After the call to action, I'll add footer. Yeah, amazing. Okay, now let me go and add the footer. Okay. beautiful. Oh my goodness. So let's have a look. Can you see? Just like that, just like that. And there are a lot of things, as you notice when I was going through the blocks page, you could see a lot of things: pricing tables, comparison tables, list, about page, headlines, call to action, a lot of things for you to choose from, and then just edit them. So now, um let's do a bit of work, and then match this. First of all, let's see what font size and font family this guy is using. So come to styles, click on typography. Okay, we're using Lato and the font size is 70, the font weight is 900. So what we want to do is to change this to Lato also. So let's change it to Lato, and then Lato. Amazing. You can see the way it's changed. Now the next thing I want to do before I scroll down is to match this color with this red color, right? It will make it look more amazing, more sexier. So let's click on it and come here. Then I'm going to look for wherever it is we have red color. I'll come here. Then I'll select this guy. Okay, I think we're good. So to save me time, I'll copy these color codes so that I'll repeat it for this very divider, this line divider now. So I'll come to styles, select the color, paste the one I copied, and voila, we have the same color. So let's proceed. The next thing is to change this one to Lato. So let's come normal thing. Okay, we're not changing the color for now, just the typography. So Lato, I'll type like Lato, select it. The font size is 72. I don't like that, so let me make it 50. No, I think 48. Okay, 42. I think this is okay. Then the weight, let me make the weight maybe 600. Beautiful. Nope, 600 is too much. 500. Amazing. So can you see how it's looking? So just like that, all you need to do is just, what, change the header. Sorry, change the header. Oh goodness, let me so let me do that from here. Change the text to your own, whatever it is you want to add. Once you're done, click the update button so it can save it for you, and then the footer, same thing. Change all the text to your own address, and then before you know it, you have a full-blown web page, simply, easily, in a few minutes, without killing yourself, without a single line of code. Isn't that amazing? I don't know about you, but to me it is powerful and breathtaking and time saving. So let's proceed. I'll see you in the next lesson.